We've all been there. The to-do list is a mile long, work deadlines loom, kids need rides, snacks and homework help. Finding time for ourselves, nearly impossible. We know self-care is important, bubble baths, meditation, long walks, they sound amazing. But who has the time? The good news? You don't need hours to reap the benefits of self-care. Small, consistent actions make a big difference. That's where wellness stacking comes in. It's a game changer. Wellness stacking is simple. Combine self-care activities. Think of it as multitasking for your well-being. Instead of separate sessions for meditation, exercise and skincare, why not blend them? You'll save time and boost your mood all at once. The benefits are huge. Increased efficiency, reduced stress, improved focus, and a sense of accomplishment. Who wouldn't want that? Plus, it makes self-care more fun. Experiment, get creative, and find what works for you. Let's get practical. Here are some ways to stack mindfulness, exercise, and skincare. Mindful walking. Listen to a guided meditation while you walk. Fresh air, movement, and mental clarity in one go. Yoga with affirmations. Incorporate positive affirmations into your yoga practice. Boost your mood and flexibility simultaneously. Face mask and meditation. Apply a face mask and relax with a guided meditation app. Pamper your skin and quiet your mind. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and customize your stacks. New to wellness stacking? No problem. Start with small, manageable steps. Try combining two activities you already enjoy. Listen to an audiobook while you walk, or enjoy a cup of herbal tea while you journal. Don't overcomplicate things. The key is to find what feels good and sustainable for you. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes of stacked self-care each day can make a difference. Section 5, Confessions of a Wellness Stacker. My funny mishaps and triumphs. I'll admit, my wellness stacking journey hasn't been without its hiccups. In fact, it's been quite the roller coaster ride filled with unexpected twists and turns. Once I tried meditating while walking my dog. I thought it would be a great way to combine mindfulness with my daily routine. Let's just say she wasn't a fan of my sudden stillness. She kept nudging me, probably wondering why her usually active human had turned into a statue. Another time I attempted a face mask and bath combo. I envisioned a serene, spa-like experience right in my own bathroom. Picture this, me covered in green goo, chasing after a runaway bath bomb. It was like a scene from a comedy movie, with the bath bomb bouncing around and me slipping and sliding trying to catch it. Hilarious in retrospect, but messy at the time. I ended up with more water on the floor than in the tub, and my face mask was smeared everywhere. But amidst the mishaps, there have been triumphs. Each little victory has made the journey worthwhile. The feeling of accomplishment after a successful stack is unbeatable. It's those moments when everything clicks and you feel like you've truly mastered the art of wellness. Plus, my skin has never looked better. The combination of consistent skincare routines and relaxation techniques has given me a glow I never thought possible. Reflecting on my journey, I realized that the mishaps were just as important as the triumphs. They taught me to laugh at myself and to embrace the imperfections in my wellness routine. Sharing these stories with friends has also been a joy. We laugh together about our wellness blunders and celebrate our successes, creating a supportive community. I've also learned to be more adventurous, trying out new wellness activities and trends. Some have been hits, others misses, but each experience has added to my growth. Setting realistic goals and planning my wellness routine has been key. It helps me stay focused and motivated, even when things don't go as planned. And sometimes the simplest activities bring the most joy, like practicing mindfulness outdoors, feeling the breeze, and listening to the sounds of nature. In the end, it's all about finding what works for you and enjoying the journey. Embrace the funny mishaps and celebrate the triumphs, because they all make your wellness journey uniquely yours. So here's to more laughter, more learning, and many more wellness adventures ahead. Section 6. Stacking for success, building a routine that works for you. Creating a routine that truly works for you is an art. It's about finding the right balance between structure and flexibility, and it starts with understanding your own needs and preferences. The beauty of wellness stacking is its flexibility. It allows you to tailor your routine to fit your lifestyle rather than forcing you into a one-size-fits-all mold. This means you can mix and match different wellness activities to create a routine that feels just right for you. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Whether you prefer starting your day with a calming meditation, a refreshing walk, or an invigorating yoga session, the choice is entirely yours. The goal is to find what makes you feel good and helps you start your day on a positive note. Experiment with different combinations and find what resonates with you. Maybe you enjoy a mix of physical activities and quiet moments, or perhaps you prefer focusing on one type of activity at a time. The key is to keep trying new things until you find the perfect blend that works for you. Maybe you thrive on morning stacks, or perhaps evenings are your self-care sweet spot. Morning routines can set a positive tone for the day, while evening routines can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Pay attention to how different times of day affect your energy and mood. Listen to your body and adjust your routine accordingly. Your needs may change from day to day, and that's perfectly okay. Some days you might feel energized and ready for a challenging workout, while other days you might need to take it easy and focus on gentle stretching or deep breathing exercises. Some days you might need a quick energy boost, while others call for deep relaxation. It's important to have a variety of activities in your wellness toolkit, so you can choose what's best for you in the moment. This could be anything from a quick workout to a relaxing spa day. The key is to create a sustainable practice that brings you joy and enhances your well-being. Remember, the goal of wellness stacking is not to add more stress to your life, but to create a routine that supports your overall health and happiness. Find activities that you genuinely enjoy and look forward to, and make them a regular part of your routine. Reflect on your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Your wellness routine should evolve with you, adapting to your changing needs and goals. By staying mindful and flexible, you can build a routine that truly works for you and supports your journey to better health and well-being. Section 7. Listen to your body, the art of intuitive wellness. Stacking. This section is all about tuning into your inner self and understanding the subtle cues your body gives you every day. As you become a seasoned wellness stacker, you'll develop an intuitive sense of what your body needs. This isn't something that happens overnight, but with consistent practice, you'll start to notice patterns and signals that guide you towards the best wellness activities for you. Pay attention to your energy levels, mood, and any physical sensations. Are you feeling stressed, anxious, fatigued? These feelings are your body's way of communicating with you. By acknowledging them, you can take proactive steps to address them before they escalate. Choose stacks that address your specific needs in that moment. For instance, if you're feeling overwhelmed, you might benefit from a combination of deep breathing exercises and a short meditation session. If you're feeling sluggish, perhaps a quick workout followed by a refreshing shower will do the trick. A brisk walk with an uplifting podcast can work wonders for a midday slump. The combination of physical activity and positive auditory input can elevate your mood and energy levels, making you feel more alert and focused. While a calming bath with lavender oil might be just what you need after a long day. The soothing properties of lavender, combined with the warm water, can help relax your muscles and calm your mind, preparing you for a restful night's sleep. Nutrition also plays a crucial role in intuitive wellness stacking. Listen to your cravings and try to understand what your body is asking for. Sometimes a nutrient-dense smoothie or a balanced meal can provide the energy and nourishment you need to feel your best. Incorporating gentle movements like yoga or stretching can also be incredibly beneficial. These activities not only improve your physical flexibility, but also help in releasing tension and promoting mental clarity. Don't forget the importance of mental and emotional wellness. Engaging in activities that bring you joy, such as reading a book, pursuing a creative hobby, or spending time in nature, can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Finally, make it a habit to regularly reflect on your wellness journey. Journaling can be a powerful tool to track your progress, set new goals, and make adjustments to your wellness stacks as needed. By staying attuned to your body's needs and being flexible with your approach, you'll find that intuitive wellness stacking becomes a natural and rewarding part of your daily routine. Section 8. Sharing the love wellness stacking with friends and family. Wellness stacking isn't just a solo endeavor. Get your loved ones involved and share the self-care fun. Plan a mindful walk with a friend or enjoy a DIY spa night with your family. Not only will you reap the benefits of stacked self-care, but you'll also strengthen your bonds and create lasting memories. Plus, it's always more fun to laugh and maybe even have a few mishaps with loved ones by your side. Section 9. The gift of time. How wellness stacking changes everything. The greatest gift wellness stacking offers is time. By combining self-care activities, you free up precious minutes or even hours in your day. Imagine having extra time to pursue your passions, connect with loved ones, or simply relax and recharge. Wellness stacking makes it possible. So ditch the all-or-nothing approach to self-care and embrace the power of stacking. Your mind, body, and spirit will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thank you.